Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your mouse DPI to 800. So setting your mouse to 800 DPI is very helpful if you want a smoother and more controlled movement, especially for gaming, editing, or normal computer use. So first, check your mouse. Some mice have a DPI button near the scroll wheel or under the mouse. Press that button until your mouse feels slower and feel controlled. If your mouse has its own software, open the mouse app on your computer and look for the DPI or sensitivity settings. And once you find the DPI settings, change the value to 800, and after that save or apply the settings so the change will work right away. And to check if your mouse is near 800 DPI, open the mouse DPI analyzer website and set a distance. Use a roller and then move your mouse the same distance on your desk. The website will show your estimated DPI so that you can adjust again if needed. And that is it. That is how you change your mouse DPI to 800 and check if it's working properly. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.